Hello, welcome to this MHT CET mock exam series arranged by JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Research. In this video, we will go through the result analysis of the mock test series. Let us go through first the physics, where we can see that the grades are defined in 5 levels and each level we have a percentage count of students. By preliminary observation, we can see that very few students are there in the higher grades like D and E. And this is the graphical representation. If you can see, the maximum students are there in the B grade. Now let us see some key observations that has noted in the physics department. That is, most of the students have attended all the questions, but still something is missing from their side. Most of the students found very good at the topics like circular and rotational motion, oscillations, the atomic theory part, communication systems, and the elasticity. Very few students are found to be good at topics like gravitation, wave theory of light, interference, and diffraction. But most of the students, those who are lying in the earlier grades like A, B, C, they are not attempting the questions or finding it difficult the topics like electrostatics, magnetism, surface tension, and electromagnetic inductions. Second one will go through the chemistry, where we can see that the same observation has been noted that the ABC category, the ABC grade students are there a lot more compared to the higher grades. This is the graphical representation again, and if you can see that ABC, the maximum count is there only. So we need to push hard to get success in this coming MHT CET examination if we can target a much more better approach in your studies under the guidance of experts so that we can get into that grades of D and E where maximum students are getting above 60 marks. Let's see some observations in this chemistry. That again the observation is same, like most of them have solved the questions, but few people find that very good at electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, solution and quantitative property and solid state. Very few are finding it difficult like alkanes, alcohol, phenol, ether, coordination compounds and polymer. So students need to pay attention to these topics also parallelly so that the grades can be. Now let's come back the important point, that is the mathematics one. Here we can see that in A, B, C again the count is segregated more. That means number of students are more in these three categories, where we can see that the B category students are more. So in the B category 21 to 40 the marks range is there, where we can see that if these students can push a little bit hard so that they can be crossing that 40 mark threshold and they can be successfully clear this mathematics part also. So these are some of the key observations we can see in the mathematics. Most of the students have attempted the questions and we can find that they're very good at topics like integration, matrices, circle theory part and the application of integrations. They are also good at topics like vector and differential equations, but they are finding it somehow difficult in the topics like conic sections, trigonometry, definite integral, and complex numbers, and hence need to be paying more attention to this particular part. Now let's talk about the overall PCM analysis. And if you see the physics, chemistry and mathematics figures over here in the terms of percentage, that means greater than 40 marks those who have achieved, we can see that physics is finding to be much more simpler compared to other two subjects, and that's why physics can be improved, chemistry also can be improved, but more attention to be given to the mathematics. And if you see that, if you see in the percentage wise fashion, that 38 percentage is there for physics, chemistry is having 33 percentage, and mathematics is 29 percentage. So these many percentage students, those who have got marks greater than 40 are there that we have mentioned in this particular slide. So thank you for watching this video, and if more information is required and you need expert guidance for this coming MHT CAT examination, then do contact on the following given numbers. Thank you.